Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're doing a beautiful coily crochet hairstyle using hula hair extension. Now this is a package and here is a bit of unboxing for you guys, just showing you guys everything that came with the extension. Okay, now I'm going to leave the link to this hair as always in my description box for you guys, and also leave my discount code in the description box for you guys. Okay, now these are the gorgeous things that was sent alongside the hair extension, and the hair is your newest micro ring loop crochet soft human hair extension. It's a deep coily hair in length 20. Okay, all the details, the link will be in my description box for you guys. Now let's go into our braid pattern. Okay, let me create the pattern with which we use to install the extension. I'm going to start with parting our hair and then I'm going to proceed to do the braids. Okay, now this is really going to be quick and you all already know that crochet hair is my favorite to do because they are really fast and they are easy. Plus, this one we are creating in this video will give you a seamless, invisible look.
I could be the one you talk to when you're feeling down. I could be the one you run to when the moon hits the ground. I can say what I'm feeling, but the words just don't come out. If you ever feel lonely, girl, just know I'll come around. Cause I've traveled so far just to get to where you are. And I know that you're broken, but that makes you who you are. So pick up the pieces and show me you mean it tonight. I know what you're feeling, I see that look in your eyes. So pick up the pieces and show me you mean it tonight. Cause what I've been dreaming is giving you my paradise. So pick up the pieces.
Done with the braids, and this is what we have. Now let's go right into the installation of this extension. Now I love the packaging of this extension, guys. Okay, I love how the package the hair, it is new. Okay, like this is so different, and the hair, it's the coils are looking so nice, guys. Okay, also with this thread that you guys set in this extension, this is what will give us our invisible look and just give us that perfect seamless invisible natural look that we're looking for. This will give us that. Also guys, the hair does not have any smell. You know how you bring out some hair and they have this strong smell? This one does not have any smell at all, and it is light. Also, we use two pack to achieve a full hair. Now for the installation, you take your hook, pass it through the braid, put the extension there and just take it out, just like what you guys saw me doing now. It is really easy and simple, like ABC. Okay, now this is what we have. Okay, you guys can see how seamless that looks and how well it is invisible. Okay, now I'm going to continue doing this and just installing the air extension to the braids. Okay, also you can reuse this, guys. Okay, it's not something that you buy once, it's not something that you use once and throw away. You can reuse this, and for the takedown, you just have to take down the cornrows and then bring it like that, bring it out, or you can try to take it out one after the other, and you can wash this after using it. You can wash it and then reuse it. Okay, it is 100% reusable, and the quality of this unit is top notch. Okay, this is a good hair, and use my discount code to enjoy some good discounts, okay, of this hair.
So pick up the pieces. parts of it all. Holding your hand, fighting for the things that we want. Be the rock you lean on, with you by my side. Baby, when we fall, together we'll rise. Cause I've traveled so far just to get to where you are. And I know that you're broken, but that makes you who you are. So pick up the pieces and show me you mean it tonight.
With the way I'm doing the front part, I want her to like style this hair in different ways. Okay, I don't want her to just stop at the middle or the side parts. No, I want to do more than that. Okay, so I want her to do like the half up, half down. Take everything all up, just style it in different way and it will look really, really gorgeous. Okay, like this front part will give this hair a different look. All right, you guys are going to see how it looks like.
I know what you're feeling, I see that look in your eyes. So pick up the pieces and show me you mean it tonight. Cause what I've been dreaming is giving you my paradise. So pick up the pieces, so pick up the pieces, so pick up the pieces. So pick up the pieces, so pick up the pieces, so pick up the pieces. Show me you mean it tonight. I was a lonely silhouette, needed somebody to show the way. Yeah, I was a heartbeat with no sound till you came around. Yeah, you showed me colors, light in the darkness. You were the only thing I
I'm
needed.
done with the installation and this is how full it is. We used two pack to achieve this look here and you all take a look at how beautiful this is. Like the hair is so nice, the quality is top notch and the babe is fine. Okay, you all, the girl is fine plus a fine hair. It is giving what, a 10 over 10. So this is how beautiful it is. The coils are bouncing. The hair is everything and more, guys. Okay, like I said before, all the details will be in my description box for you guys, including my discount code will be in the description box for you guys. Do not forget, share this video to your friends, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye, guys.